troubleshoot advanced problems, perform preventive and predictive maintenance tasks in real time. To identify insulation breakdown using only one simple-to-use tool for years, Fluke has built a reputation for producing the most reliable, rugged, and innovative digital multimeters in the world, developed for commercial and industrial applications. The Fluke Insulation Multimeter is the only meter that gives you a high-performance DMM, a state-of-the-art insulation tester, and wireless connectivity for sharing and tracking results all in one unit. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fluke Insulation Multimeter. Fluke Insulation Multimeter. Whether you work on motors, generators, cables, or switchgear, the Fluke Insulation Multimeter delivers impressive capability in a single unit. No longer do you need to go back to the truck, shop, or tool crib to get the extra tool you need to get the job done. The Fluke is rugged, reliable, and easy to use, just what you would expect from Fluke. Number 2. Fluke Connect Enabled. Fluke Connect Enabled. The Fluke Connect Enabled 1587FC also gives you the flexibility to test wirelessly how and when you want. Fluke Connect test tools communicate with the Fluke Connect free mobile app on your Android or iOS smart device, allowing you to share live measurements, monitor readings from safe distances, and get your job done easier than ever before. The wireless digital multimeter functions as the mobile hub, displaying readings from up to 3 meter modules tools simultaneously from up to 20 meters away. Number 3. DAR with trended graphs identify problems faster. Number 4. Memory storage. Through mobile Fluke Connect measurements app eliminates writing down results, reduces errors, and saves data for historical tracking over time. Number 5. Temperature compensation. Through app helps establish accurate baselines and relevant historical comparison. Number 6. VFD low-pass filter for accurate motor drive measurements. Includes auto-discharge of capacitive voltage for added user protection. Number 7. Insulation test voltage is 50 volts, 100 volts, 250 volts, 500 volts, 1000 volts, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.